Hey you guys, I just got this new wax melting pot. It's going to make candle making so much easier. Okay, so here it is out of the box. Comes with a great little just on switch here on the front, and then just like a control for the temperature is in Celsius and Fahrenheit. You have a nice long cord here, so you're able to plug it in across your kitchen. And then here is just the on and off spout. It's very nice and heavy duty. This is a huge pot. We're gonna have a lot of wax melting in here and be able to stir it up with this great spoon. It does come with a bunch of little wicks in here, stickies to stick your wicks down into your cups to keep them upright, and then a bunch of these little metal pieces that just allow you to keep your wicks upright. There is an instruction manual that just shows me how to work this pot properly. So with all that being said, let's get in the kitchen and let's get cooking. Well, you guys seen how quick and easy that was once the wax was melted. I love that you could control what the temperature was as this great long spoon to be able to stir it. Then you just open the spout, fill up your candles. It's as simple as that. It does come with a whole bunch more stickies and a whole slew of wicks. So I can make candles for days with the help of this candle wax melter.